Welcome back to my channel Digital Sprout. Dear viewers, in this video I am going to unbox the drill machine which is coming from the company Black & Decker, and this is the logo of the company you can see here. Model number of this drill machine, that is KR554RE. Actually this drill machine is a necessary and must have product for each and every house nowadays. Small household works we can do efficiently and effectively by this drill machine. Actually if you want to drill those small holes in your living room wall for hanging pictures, in bathroom walls for fixing mirrors, and in the kitchen walls for hanging utensils, will be much easier by this drill machine. If you want to buy some good quality, long lasting and equipped with advanced features drill machine, then this will be right choice for you. I will try to discuss about these features, the salient features of this drill machine. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So you can see from the box pack it is written clearly here. This is 550 watt, which is capable of doing the heavy duty work, that is the drilling in the concrete. So here some salient features already written here, that is hammer action function, reverse brush system, and you will get the 12-month warranty from this company. It is clearly written here. And with this box pack you will get 4 pieces of drill bits. Actually this is a masonry drill bits you will get, it contains in the box pack, but any metal drill bit or concrete drill bit you will not get with this. You have to buy separately from the market. In this side you can see here, this is written clearly price of the product, that is 4,295. Actually you will get this product at 2,000 rupees. Sometimes it will be less than that also, but I have got this product 1,200 rupees approximately at the Big Billion Days. And the back of this pack you can see some features also written here. 2 modes are available, that is the drill mode and hammer mode. Variable speed, it is 13mm kid chuck feature and lock on button feature. Some specification already written here. This is a power 550 watt, already I have told you. Chuck capacity 13mm, beats per minute 47,600 bpm. No load speed is 0 to 2,800 per minute. Capacity not only in the wood but also steel and masonry purposes, and cable length which is given here 2 meter. So now without wasting time, open the product and show you what contents in the box pack. You can read the manual about this if you want to know about this drill machine, and with this manual the company has given one warranty card. Okay, so keep it aside. Auxiliary handle given by the company, so keep it aside. I'll show you after fitting it. And this is the 4 drill bit, and these all purposes are the masonry bits the company has given, so keep it aside. This is the main drill machine, I'll show you. And with that the company has already given one ruler, help you to understand how much you have to drill efficiently. So all these things contents in the box pack. So come to the main point, that is the drill machine. You can see here. So with the drill machine company has also given one chuck key. I will show you what will be the purpose of this. You can see here, this is actually called the chuck. The diameter of this chuck, this hole, you can see this hole is 13mm. And if you want to just tightening the chuck by this chuck key, so in this way you have to just tighten the. If you rotate it, you can see 3 jaws are coming out. So in this way, if you just fit one drill bit, if you want to fit one drill bit here, I will show you the drill bits. So if you fit one of the drill bits, suppose this drill bit, this is the thicker drill bit, I will show you. So you can do this by just rotating this portion, and you can see it will be now tight. So to confirm it, you have to rotate by this chuck key. Cable length already I have told you, this is 2 meter. You can see here, this is the operating button, and this is variable speed. It is equipped with the variable speed. That means if you just press minutely, rotation will be minute. If you just press deeply, then it will rotate the maximum speed. And this is known as the lock key button. Actually for a long time work, if the same speed, continuous speed is needed, then you have to just press it and it will be locked. So that speed will be maintained for a longer time, forward direction. So if you press it, if you press in this direction, so it will just rotate in a clockwise direction. So if you just press this one, so it will rotate in a reverse direction. So if you just want to drill, and that time it's stuck at that hole, so at that time the reverse function is very much needed. So that's why you have to enable this option. It is written, it is the normal drill and it is known as the hammer drill. You can see hammer sign is given here. So if you want to enable this effect, then you have to just slide the button, so it will be hammer drill. Hammer drill means it will rotate, at the same time it will give the thrust in the forward and backward direction. You can see here it will just rotate in this direction, in this way. So it will be effective for drilling in the concrete surfaces. Move this slider here, it will be normal drill. Now I will show you just fitting this auxiliary handle. Just open it in this way. Okay, then then you have to rotate in this position, then it will be tight. And if you want to fit this ruler, you can see this ruler will be effective when you want to drill actual length. So actual length you will get by this ruler. You can see here in this way, and then you have to tighten it. So if you want to drill up to this measurement, you have to take the exact measurement you have to calculate. If you want to get the drill up to this depth, then you have to fit here and then you have to tighten it. So you can see if I just press small minutely, number of rotation will be small. So if you press greater, so you can see this is a variable key. I have told you few minutes ago. So this is a variable. This is rotating in this direction. So if you change it, suppose I am changing this, direction of the rotation will be changed. You can see here. Now I will show you how to drill by this drill machine on the wall. So I have taken one drill bit, a thicker drill bit of 8 inch, and now I am trying to drill. Now I have applied the hammer drill because we are trying to drill on the rough surface. That's why we have enabled this one, that is hammer drill. And you can see already we have used the ruler so that we will get the exact depth, how much we have to drill. Okay, done. And if we just want to reverse it, then you can see here, if we just switch on it, just enable this switch, then it will be reverse function. So automatically the drill bit will come out. Thank you for watching my video. If you think video is helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel for next upcoming videos.